Hey there, in this video, we'll be checking out the NEWCARE Gigabit Ethernet Splitter. Let's unbox it. I took everything out in swift motion. I'm getting better at this anyway. Here's everything in detail. The manual has all the specs and shows how to use the device with diagrams. Very informative. It comes with a USB Type-C cable to power the device, though there's no power brick included. A 3-foot LAN cable is also included. Now, here is the device itself. It's small, compact, and feels very solid. Now we're going to test the device. For power, I'm just going to plug it into my laptop's USB port. It lights up. It's working. Then I'll plug the internet cable from my router into this end, then plug my laptop's internet cable into the other end. As you can see, I have a 1 gigabyte per second connection. And here's the speed test. My internet is about 500 megabytes per second. It's working great so far. Next, let's add a second device. I'll be using an adapter so I can use wired internet on my phone. As you can see, just a couple seconds and it's connected. Here's a speed test on both devices at the same time. We're getting decent stable speeds on both. Overall, I highly recommend this splitter, especially if you're traveling or something. You never know when you might need it in a hotel or somewhere similar. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.